Okay, I'm about to show you a reason that I'm telling you that I'm always confused and I feel like my life is just scattery. Here's the front door to the apartment right there. And here is a storage closet that I had to incorporate into my own closet. The closet in the master bedroom is tiny, so Scott's in that closet. But here you go, y'all. I'm showing you this. I've not touched it. This is what it's looking like. Now, granted, I just got home from Christmas. 2 weeks ago, I just got home from the beach, January. And this is what is happening, y'all. Okay. First glance, you think, oh, she's all organized. She's got some purses hanging here. Yeah, okay. That's a good thing. But then, this is the mess that is my closet. Yes, an open suitcase in the floor. That's laundry. That's a bag of stuff I want to take to the beach when we go back to the house. Down there is actually things I want to give away to Goodwill. Here's some of my shoes. Some of them are at the beach. Here's some books I want to run down to the beach. Here's jewelry that I never, ever, ever wear. That's my trash can that I have in here just for different things, and it's very useful. That's more jewelry. That's wrinkle releaser because, hey, it belongs in your closet, right? This is just oddball clothing, mostly wintry. This is a bin of dresses that are summery or too small because my gut sticks out. Shorts. At some point, I was trying to be organized. Sweaters, my steamer that I love, trying to be a scarf person. That, I don't even know. There's a purse and some other junk. There's a purse there. There's some summer clothes. This is just, that's just stuff and trash and stuff. And then down here is just, that's, a couple of baby things from my kids that need to go somewhere and some feather boas that I want to take to the beach so Lorelai and I can have a little princess party like I used to with Layla. That's empty Amazon boxes because sometimes I need a box to mail something. That's home decor of just, I don't know why it's here. That's an empty suitcase. This is where I try to be organized. This is supposed to be workout things, and this is hats. Was rolled up jeans, a few socks, pajamas, sort of. And then this is a couple of, oh my gosh, I didn't know where that was. Are you kidding me? Okay, well, there you go. There's that. This is some different little, zipper bags. That stuff. There's another purse. There's some trays down there. This is my suitcase, my new slippers, socks and underwear because I tried to bring a lot of stuff with me to organize it, but it hasn't happened and it's going to happen. So this is phase 1 of becoming unscattered and becoming not organized in a way of perfection, but my plan is to bring all, can you even stand to look at that? Okay, I'm not going to show you myself because I'm in my pajamas, so we'll just sit here and look at these French people while I tell you. The plan is to bring all my clothes under one roof here at the apartment and then just pack for weekends. That's my plan, and we're going to see how it goes. Phase 1 is I just emptied my entire closet of all of the clothes only. Well, slippers, but clothes and jackets and belts and things like that. Shoes and purses are going to be separate. This only took me 7 minutes to empty my closet, and I wasn't even in a hurry. So I'm going to time the rest of this all trying on. I'm going to see really how bad it is. Some of the stuff I won't have to try on because if it doesn't spark joy, or I haven't worn it since I moved here, it's going. That's the rule. Okay, ladies, this is Goodwill. This is 3 things, 2 coats, and a dress I'm taking to be altered, and this is a dress I'm taking to be returned. And then that's trash. That's going to go down with me. And here's my closet. It took me about 3 hours. I tried things on. I was brutal, but not... I was 75% brutal, but I just made the best decisions I could. I will definitely be going through this again when we move. So I still kept this purse, which I use all the time when I travel, just throwing tons of junk in there. And that little purse I use too when I travel, because I throw that in there and then I can get it in and out at the gas station or whatever. These are all the shoes that I have here. This is just a thing of flip-flops. Yeah, I haven't done this yet. Today was clothes. Up here I still have my trash can. That's scarves. This is all the clothes I have here right now. Almost all of it, tons of it is coats. So if you'll see, I have 3 things that if they're not worn, they're backwards. So if they're not worn by the spring, they're going. This is some stuff from Paris that I just am keeping here. So there you go. There's 2 spare bins back there. I prefer using these kind of bins that are open because I like to see what I have, and also I like clothes to breathe. I kept 2 Amazon boxes here for mailing. I have my little London Portobello Road purse there just for fun. Got my workout weights. This is my ode to winter, praying for snow because I hope it snows. And these are these cute slippers Scott got me for Christmas. And this is just one of my warmer hats. Here's those books I need to take to the beach. Doesn't have to happen now. This is the steamer I told you about. Greatest thing ever, y'all. It's very small, compact. I love it so much. I'll link it below. This is still home decor. This is purses. And these are extra bags that I use when I need to just take stuff places. I've got 2 suitcases tucked away here, which one will go down to the beach permanently. Here I have a, that's one of my favorite bags for travel and where I keep my computer and stuff. So I'm keeping that one here. And under there is a small bin of things that I'm considering trying to sell on Poshmark. I'm giving myself 4 weeks to get that done. If it's not done, it goes to the Goodwill. This is workout clothes and my hats, and everyone thinks this is a MAGA hat. I'm just showing you it's a Mickey Mouse hat, just in case that offends you in some way. Yeah. These are shorts, pants. I mean, I don't have much, y'all. And all 3 of these I don't even want, but I can't get rid of everything because then I would have a black pair of pants and my cami pants. I need more than that. Bras, socks, underwear. This is PJs. This is a couple of little purses and a hat, and this is bags and little bags and wallets and things that I keep in an evening bag. This is belts and some bra type things for strapless shirts and different things. This is stuff that a couple things are, I'm keeping both my dresses that I wore in my daughter's weddings. I just love them and I want to keep them for whatever reason. I have 1 bathing suit here, and then the rest of this stuff is stuff I'm going to try on again in 1 month. I'm giving myself a month to get back down to my decent weight. I'm about 4 pounds, but 4 pounds, I've told you 100 times on me, makes the outfit, the pants, impossible to wear, which is so annoying because I know other people that can carry weight and get away with it, but I can't. So this is the overall look. I like it being open and just easy breezy. I feel so good about this. I'm really pleased. I will be able to keep it like this. I'm really good at that. Okay, y'all, it's been a few weeks since I did that video, and I wanted to show you what I had changed. I took that big giant jewelry box off of this and put it somewhere else because I've been using this as like a purse station, and I just put my purse here at night, and then I have things that go in and out of my purse depending on the day or where I'm going, and it's working out really, really good. My purse is in the other room right now, but I love this, having this empty shelf. Still have my little trash can. But what I decided to do was decorate the wall right here above my bookcase thing. I have a couple necklaces hanging here just to remind me to wear a necklace once in a while, because I'm not a big necklace person, but I have some that I love, so I wear them. And then here I've got a picture of Scott and I. That's our very first year in Paris. And then I have some cards that I've received. This is where I chose to put my VisionBoard. If you want to see more about that, I'll link it below. And then I have these two cards that I just stuck behind there that I really like. And they have special meaning. And if you watch my videos, you know what that is. So I just wanted to show you that you can decorate even in your closet. And I have room to put something else there if I want. And I don't know, this just makes me happy every time I open my door. So that is what I've changed since I filmed the video back in January. One thing I wanted to say is that I decided not to bring all my clothes down here. I truly left just middle of the summer stuff at the beach in that closet, but I'm not bringing clothes back and forth at all on weekends. I'm just taking my purse because, and what I'm wearing and dirty laundry. So it's been such a relief not to try to pack every time we go and unpack. It's just been awful like that. So I feel so unscattered, so peaceful about my life. And I have another thing I've done, y'all, that is major, way more major than even doing my closet or my VisionBoard, that has really made my life peaceful, and I will share that with you soon in another video. So I'll let you go. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.